Hello students, welcome to AriserTalent. Students, I am your maths faculty Arpita Sharma. Okay, and we are discussing our chapter Arithmetic Progressions, right? So, our chapter is Arithmetic Progression, right student? In this, we have gone through the theory part, we have understand the arithmetic progression, and we have just then talked about the formulas, the properties of arithmetic progression, and also what? After AP, which is arithmetic progression, we have discussed AM, which is arithmetic mean, my dear students. Okay. So, after discussing all these, what we were doing, we are solving some questions and questions and questions. So, in that chain, we are having this question as a next question. The first term of an AP is what? 5. The common difference is 3 and the last term is 80. Now find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. That means we have to find out the value of n in this question. Okay. So let's play with this question. So you have given solution part here. First term of AP, we always denote our first term of AP as A. Okay. So, given first term of AP equals to what? A equals to 5. Then common difference, you know about the common difference, which is what? D, you denote it by D. It is given 3, right? Last term, now last term can be denoted by L, small l, okay, and we write it like Tn also. So, last term of AP, you can either write it as small l or you can write it as Tn, nth term, and nth term is the last term of our AP. Okay. So, this is given what? This is given 80. Now, you have to find value of n, that is number of terms. Okay. Number of terms in AP. Okay, students. So, we are having formulas. So, actually our solution starts from here. So, we are having A, we are having D, we are having Tn. Now, we are asking about n. So, what is the formula of Tn? Tn is what? A plus n minus 1 D. This is our one formula. The second formula is what? Sn. Now, formula of Sn is what? I will give it. It is n by 2 A plus Tn. Now, sum is given, so I can directly apply this formula. Okay. I have known this term and I have to find n. Now, I have given with this, I have given with this, I have given with this. Sn I have given, so I can put the values and find the number. Okay. So, by using this, can I write Sn? You have given, not given with this, you just have given with that, provided with at. Okay. So, by using this formula, by Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D, just put the values The value of Tn is given 80. Value of A is given what? 5 plus n's value you have to find and the difference given 3. So, no need for this formula. This formula is enough. Now, 80 minus 5 will be what? 75. So, can I write 75 here? Okay. Now, this divided by 3 here. So, n minus 1. What it gives you? N equals to what? 2 times 1, 5 times 25 plus 1. Okay. That is 26. So, you will get what? N equals to 26 as your what? Answer. Now, students, I have written this formula because in some particular questions you have to tell that what is the sum of the term. Now, for finding this term, finding the sum of terms, you have to find the n, okay, number of term. So, from this formula, you will find n, and by using this n here and Tn here, the given values, Tn here, A here, and the value n you have find out with this equation, you will keep the value in this and find the sum. This formula's question will see in our coming questions. Okay. So, note this, students, I am going to rub this, note it all. Okay. Now, our next question is about what? Let's see. It's series and you have to find the 68th term of a series and 302th term of one series. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, can you do this question? See this. Is this simple or not? Is 68 a term of an AP? It's asking us, is 68 a term of the AP 7, 10, 13 and so on? Is it is? Okay. Then, second, is 302 a term of an AP 3, 8, 13 and so on? Is it? So, how will we know if this term is AP or not? We know about this small letter n, that it should be always a natural number, right? I know that n will be always a natural number. If from this series, if I am having this value and I will apply the formula and the value of n is 1, 2, 3 and so on from this natural number set n, then I will say that yes, 68 is a term of this series, of this AP. And if it is not, giving me n equals to a natural number, then I will refuse to take it as the part of this sequence or series of AP, right? Students, it's so simple. Just apply the concept of n, right? So, okay. The solution 1. We have to only provide the answer with yes or no, okay. So, let 68 is a term of AP, what AP? 7, 10, 13 and so on. If it is so, this implies Tn will be equals to what? A plus n minus 1d. Okay. Now, this formula you have read it, more than 25 times. So, you know this formula very well. Now, the value of Tn, the nth term, let it be 68. So, putting values, we will get 68 will be equals to A. A is the first term. So, here first term is 7. So, A will be 7. So, put 7 here plus what? N minus 1. You don't know the value of n. Now, difference 10 minus 7 equals to 3 and that is the difference. Look here. 13 minus 10 is again equals to 3. Okay, so 3 is the difference. Put 3 here. Now just solve it. Now 68 minus 7 will give you what? 61. Okay, divided by 3. This 3 will come here. So it will be left with n minus 1 only. Then n will be equals to 61. I will be taking this LCM of this plus 1, then it will be plus 3. Now 64 by 3. Now this is 3, this is 64. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. So 10 is divisible by 3? No. So 64 is divisible by 3? No. So is 64 by 3 is a natural number? No. So as 64 by 3 is not a natural number, hence what? No, it is not a term of given AP. Is this very simple or not, students? Just we have to find out the value of n and examine even if the value of n is whether it's belong to natural set or not. It's not so. Answer is no. This note, students, I am going to rub this. Okay. Right, students. I've told you that you have to learn the properties very carefully. Look now, the very small property that n belongs to natural number is of a great use in this question. If you don't know about that property, you are not able to solve this. Okay, right. Now the solution part second. Can I repeat this process, students? This is 3, 8, 13 and so on. And if this is the arithmetic progression value of a equals to 3, now 8 minus 3 equals to 13 minus 8 equals to what? 5, right? So 5 is what? Common difference G, D. Okay, now I am having the formula Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Now Tn value is given for Tn equals to 302. What we have? Tn equals to, that is 302 equals to, I am just putting the values here, a which is 3, n minus 1 which is n minus 1 and d which is equals to 5. So what will it give you? 3 here, so 9, 9 and 2. Then n minus 1 here and 5 here. Now again n will be equals to 2, 9, 9, 9. That will be okay by 5 and minus and 5 here. So it will become what? 299 minus 5. Is this 5 or 1? Okay, plus, right? And that will be 5. So value of n will be equals to what? That will be 4, 0, 3 by 5. Now you can clearly see this is not 5, this is not 0. So this 304 is not divisible by 5 in any way. Again, n does not belong to natural number. So no, it is not what? A term in the series. Okay, so is it very simple? So you can solve this on your own next time if you are given with provided with any AP and you ask that this particular number is of this AP or not, then you can clearly tell them that it is true or not. Okay, I am rubbing this also and we will be moving to our next question, which is also very interesting, students. What is it? It is that find the sum of all odd numbers between 100 and 200. You know the similar pattern we have done before, that write find the sum of all the numbers which is exactly divisible by 3 back then, in the previous lecture. So you can remind that. Okay. So by these vibes you can know the solution. Here, what you have given? 100 and 200. Okay. So odd number series of AP between, or you can say if there is no mention of AP, so you can just say odd number series between 100 and 200. Okay. So first odd number, 100 is odd number or even number? Clearly it's divisible by 2. So it will be what? Even number, so 101. Now it is an odd number. Now again 102? No. 103? Yes. 104? No. 105? Yes. 106? No. 107? Yes. And so on. Now 200 is even or odd? It's obviously even. Now the number before that 199. Now 199 is again what? Odd. So I'll finish this series with 199. So it is starting with 101 and it's ending with 199. So what I conclude is the A equals to what? 101 and B equals to what? 199. This can be B. Okay. And this can be what? TN. Now how TN? Is that a AP or not? So now the difference between these is 2. The difference between these two. Now you can actually say that the difference is common, which is 2. So it is an AP. Okay. Common difference in series makes is what? Makes this AP. This sequence is AP. So what we have to find? The sum by Sn equals to what? What is the formula of Sn, student? N by 2 A plus Tn, and Tn is what? Tn is the last term. We are having this formula as N by 2, I have told you 2A plus N minus 1D, and I have told you that you just bifurcate this 2A in A plus A and here N minus 1D. Now this is the last term formula, so Tn formula. Okay, so you will be having this as your second formula for the sum of the series. So we will take this one. Okay, so just put the value. So Sn will be equals to N by 2. Now you are not known with the number N. Okay, so how will you find it? You will find the formula by the formula of Tn. So Tn is equals to what? A plus N minus 1 D. Now Tn is what? Tn is clearly 199 here. 199 equals to A is what? 101 plus N minus 1. N is not known, we have to find, and difference D is equals to what? 2. So I'll put 2 here. Now 199 and 101 will give you what? You will minus it now. So it will give 98 to you. Then multiply by 2 and then plus 1. This will be equals to N. From here I can say that N equals to what? 4 times and 9 times. So 49 plus 1 is what? 50. So I'll write 50 here. Okay. So N is equals to 50. Now by the formula, by Sn equals to what? N by 2 A plus Tn, right? what will be having? 50 by 2. A is what? 101 plus Tn. Tn is what? Last term 199. Okay, so what will it become? That will become 300. So 50, 300 by 2, that will give you what? By 25. 25, these are 70, 500. So from there, you will get what? Sn equals to 7500 as your answer. Note this, students. Okay. Okay, students, we will move to the next question. Which is 3 numbers are in AP. If the sum of these numbers be 27 and the product of these numbers is 648. Now you have to find the numbers. Now again this type of questions we have done. 27 is the sum and 368 is the product. Find the numbers. So I am having this what? 3 numbers. 3 numbers means I am having what number? What number? Odd number of terms, right? Solution. 3 numbers, that means 3 terms. Odd number of terms, that means. So supposition will be what? Tell me now you. That will be A minus D and A plus D. Let the terms be. Okay. These are in AP, so we will take this. Now we have given the sum of these numbers. Now sum equals to what? 27 implies that what? A minus D plus A plus D will be equals to what? 27, students, right? Now it is 27, then what is next? We can write that. We can cancel out this D from this D. So that will become what? 3A equals to 27. What does it mean? That A equals to 27 by 3 and which is 9. So what we are having is A equals to 9. This is 1. Now second is what? We have to find D also. For that we are having the second equation. Second equation by what? By this thing that this product is 648. So if the product is 648, now I can write that product of terms equals to what? 648. So this implies that A minus D, A multiplied by A plus D. This is the formula, students. That will be equals to 648. Now for this condition, I have always told you that you will be referring it as A plus B formula, A minus B formula. So you will be having A plus B, A minus B equals to A square minus B square. Okay. So that will be what? A square minus D square and multiply by A equals to 648. Now do what? Do the thing that put the values here. So I am putting the values on this part. So come here. The value of A I find 9. So 9 square minus D square and again A. Value of A is 9 equals to 648. This implies that 9 square minus D square equals to 648 by 9, right? Now it is what? I can write it here, I can put it here. So d square will become what? 81, 9 square is 81 minus, now cut it, 1 time, 2 time, 2 time, okay. So 72. This implies that d square equals to what? 9. So d equals to what? Plus minus 3. Now this is the second thing we have observed. D equals to plus minus 3. This is 2. Now if d equals to, if d equals to what? D equals to 3. Then series was what? A minus d. Series was, then AP equals to A minus D, A plus D, and that will become what? A is what? 9, 9 minus 3 and 9 plus 3. So it will become 6, 9 and 12. Okay. So this is the series, first series. Now the second series, I have told you, if you will write minus 3 here, what will become? The series will be reversed. The series will be reversed. So I can write at d equals to minus 3, AP will be what? 12, 9 and 6. So I am having these two as my answers. That the first, in first scenario, this AP is 6, 9, 12 when d equals to 3 plus 3, and if d equals to minus 3, this will be, reversed. Okay. So note this, students, and I am going to rub this. Okay. So noted it down. Any confusion about it? So students, now we are having this next question. Okay, as in an AP, if the 5th term and 12th terms are 30 and 65 respectively, what is the sum of first 20 term? So in series we are having some 20 terms, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. We are having up to A20, and we have given by that A5 is what? 30 and A12 is what? A12 is 65. So we have provided with this information. So we haven't given by what is A, what is B, what is last term. We have only given the number of terms. Okay, and the 5th and 12th term. So these are the things we have acquired. Now by this particular, by using our sums and formulas, we will calculate it, we will get to know it, but in our next lecture. Okay students, till then revise the formulas and properties. I have told you these properties are of great use. Okay students, so take care, bye.